Please choose the contacting language, Arabic or English.
English.
English. Hello human, this is the robotic alarm clock program. Let me wake you up at any time you want. I will tell you how to dismiss the alarm clock. You will find one of my eyes is blinking. Please touch my hand in the sight of blinking eye, then the alarm will dismiss. Please choose the month. What is the month you want me to wake you up at? April. Choose the day. 21.
Okay.
Okay, 21. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Choose the hour. 19.
Yes.
Yes, 19. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Choose the alarm minute. 40.
Okay.
Okay, 40. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Choose the alarm clock volume lever by percentage. 40%.
Yes.
Yes, 40%. Set the alarm duration. This duration is the time with the alarm ringing by seconds. 110.0.
Okay.
Okay, 110.0. Set the alarm times before cell. Dismiss. This is how many times the alarm rings until cell. Dismiss if you do not dismiss it by yourself. 4.
Okay.
Okay, 4. Now do you want me to do some animation while alarm time? Yes for enable animation on alarm time. No for disable animation.
Yep.
Yep. Yes. Setup step is over. You can take a rest until the alarm clock time.